Welcome to InCareLife and the Financial Groundskeeper. One of the greatest financial threats facing retirees today is the cost of long term care. A nursing home stay can quickly consume hundreds of thousands of dollars that took decades to accumulate. Many families ask, how can we protect our assets? But another important question is, how can we replace assets that may be spent on a nursing home stay? In this video, we'll explore how properly engineered whole life insurance policies may help restore wealth that was consumed by long term care expenses while providing flexibility, liquidity, and lasting legacy for future generations. Let's begin. The cost of long term care continues to rise across the country. In many areas, nursing home expenses can easily exceed $100,000 per year. If care is needed for several years, the total cost can be staggering. For married couples, these expenses often come directly from retirement savings, investment accounts, CDs, and other assets that were intended to provide retirement income or become a legacy for children and grandchildren. Many retirees spend years focusing on accumulation, but never consider what happens if a major health care event requires them to spend a significant portion of their life savings. The reality is that long term care can have a substantial impact on a family's financial future. At InCareLife, we often use the financial groundskeeper analogy. A wise groundskeeper understands that storms will come, droughts will occur, insects may attack the crop, unexpected challenges are simply a part of life. The goal isn't to panic when adversity arrives, the goal is to prepare beforehand. Likewise, wise financial stewardship means preparing for healthcare costs before they occur. It's not enough to simply hope that nursing home care won't be needed. Indeed, we should consider strategies that can help preserve and restore wealth, even if those expenses become reality. The goal isn't merely surviving the storm, the goal is rebuilding after the storm has passed. One of the most unique characteristics of life insurance is financial leverage. Think about this for a moment. When money sits in a savings account, $1 generally remains $1 plus whatever interest is earned. Life insurance works differently. A properly engineered whole life insurance policy can transform a relatively modest amount of capital into a significantly larger death benefit. In many cases, a portion of existing assets can be repositioned into a policy that immediately creates substantially more wealth for beneficiaries than the amount contributed. This leverage is what makes life insurance such a powerful estate and legacy planning tool. Instead of heirs receiving only what remains after a nursing home expense, they may receive a death benefit designed to help restore much of what was spent. Let's look at a simple hypothetical example. Imagine a healthy 65-year-old retiree who has accumulated substantial savings. Rather than leaving all assets exposed to future healthcare expenses, the retiree allocates a portion of those assets into a properly designed whole life insurance policy. Several years later, a nursing home stay requires significant withdrawals from remaining assets. Perhaps hundreds of thousands of dollars are spent on care. Without planning, those dollars may be prematurely lost from the family estate. However, because the retiree established a life insurance strategy earlier in life, beneficiaries receive a death benefit that helps replenish or replace a substantial portion of the wealth that was consumed. Of course, every situation is different and results depend on health, age, policy design, and insurance company performance. But the principle remains the same. Leverage can potentially replace dollars that were spent. Another important advantage of properly engineered whole life insurance is cash value accumulation. Many people think of life insurance strictly as a death benefit, but whole life insurance can also build cash value over time. That cash value may provide flexibility throughout retirement. Depending upon policy design and carrier performance, policyholders may access cash values through policy loans. This creates an additional source of liquidity that may be available when opportunities or emergencies arise. At InCareLife, we often discuss how cash value life insurance can complement other assets and become part of a diversified stewardship strategy. It's not designed to replace investments. Instead, it may serve alongside investments as another financial tool. Today's life insurance products are more versatile than ever. Many policies offer chronic illness riders, long term care riders, or accelerated death benefit riders. These features may allow policyholders to access a portion of their death benefit while they're still living if they experience qualifying health events. In other words, the policy may provide benefits during life while still preserving a remaining death benefit for heirs. This can create a powerful combination of protection and flexibility. Not every policy offers the same features, and riders' availability varies by carrier and state. That is one reason proper planning and policy design are so important. Not all whole life insurance policies are created equal. This may be one of the most important concepts in this entire presentation. Some policies are designed primarily around minimum premium commitments and maximum commissions. Others are specifically engineered to maximize efficiency, cash value growth, and long term flexibility. The difference can be substantial. A properly structured policy may accumulate significantly more accessible cash value while still maintaining a meaningful death benefit. That's why it is important to work with an advisor who understands policy design and can help align the policy with your goals. The design of the policy often matters just as much as the decision to own the policy itself. As Christians, we recognize that everything ultimately belongs to God. Psalm 24:1 reminds us that the earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. We are called to be faithful stewards of the resources He has entrusted to us. Proverbs 21:20 says, "There is treasure to be desired and oil in the dwelling of the wise, but a foolish man spendeth it up." Wise stewardship includes preparation. It means planning for challenges before they arrive. While no financial strategy can eliminate every risk, thoughtful planning can help preserve opportunities, maintain flexibility, and potentially leave a greater legacy for those we love. Whole life insurance may serve as one valuable tool within a comprehensive stewardship plan. If you're concerned about how future nursing home expenses could affect your retirement savings, your spouse, your children, or your legacy, now is the time to explore your options. At InCareLife, we help families evaluate strategies that integrate insurance, investments, and biblical stewardship principles. Together, we can examine your current situation, evaluate potential long term care exposure, review existing insurance coverage, and determine whether a properly engineered whole life insurance strategy may be appropriate for your goals. Remember, the goal isn't simply to weather life's storms, the goal is to leave a healthy harvest behind. Thank you for watching. If you'd like a complimentary review of your current financial and insurance strategy, contact InCareLife today. I'm Mark DiMaria, the Financial Groundskeeper. Until next time, stay rooted in Him, driven by care, and focused on life.